right, owning a home is the American dream, and it remains an unrealized dream for most of us because we never get that mortgage actually paid off. Until then, the bank owns your home, and you pay them interest, lots of it, usually more money in interest than the original price of the home. But the Saving You Money team has discovered a new approach to pay your mortgage off a lot sooner, save tons of money in interest, and turn that dream into a reality years earlier. It's the kind of coincidence we TV people love, that an accelerated version of the American dream is coming true right here at the corner of Promised Land and American Pride.
Do you think about that day when you send in the last payment?
Oh, I can't wait. I'm going to have a big smiley face at the end of the check. I'll sign my name with a big smiley face on the end. It'll be nice.
You'll own this place.
Absolutely, can't wait.
Tom Burns is talking about paying off his mortgage, owning his townhome outright, and not in 30 or even 15 years.
I explained to them that I'm going to have my house paid off in less than 5 years, and they think I'm crazy.
No, he isn't independently wealthy. He's a working-class guy, a valet at a strip casino. And he isn't nuts either. He made a simple and smart change in his banking behavior, taking all the income he makes and putting it where it can work harder for him.
I use the money to my advantage. I use the bank systems to my advantage. Instead of the bank making money off of me, I'm taking control. And you can do it too. It's that easy.
It's a brilliant system that originated about 12 years ago in Australia and has slowly made its way here. Tom uses software he bought from a local company to track his progress. It costs $3,500, no small price tag, but it will save him $300,000 in interest. He had a healthy dose of skepticism going in, but figured the potential upside was worth the risk.
Because I thought I was just going to get slammed and slammed, but there was no hidden charges, no nothing. It was great.
We don't want this to get too complicated, so we'll make it real simple here. This is your mortgage. It's full of red ink, the money you owe. This is your paycheck. It could soak up some of that debt, but normally you leave it in a checking account and the two don't affect each other. Under this plan, your mortgage in a way becomes your checking account. You put your paycheck into it every 2 weeks. It soaks up some of that red ink, some of that debt. That means the balance here is lower, you pay less interest, and you save money.
You don't even feel it.
No.
You're just doing the exact same thing you used to do. Instead of putting it in your checking account, put it towards the balance owed on the line of credit.
Just about anyone can pay off their home using this method, but there are 3 key things you need for it to work for you. You have to get control of your finances first. It only works if you have more money coming in than going out every month. You need to carefully track what you're spending your money on and when those payments are due. And you have to qualify for a home equity line of credit.
What would you say in a nutshell?
I would say it's harder to explain than it is to do.
So if you're wondering why this neighbor has a smile on his face and walks a little lighter on his feet when he picks up his mortgage statement from the mailbox, now you know. It's because he has about 4 years and 7 months left until his house is paid off. It would be nice, wouldn't it? I know this is definitely one of those, come on, sounds too good to be true stories, but the Saving You Money team has been test driving this system since February, 3 of us doing it, and it really does.
Mortgage Secret is a company out there that is on the front lines of helping consumers eliminate debt immediately by putting them in a strategy with one of the world's most sophisticated software programs that is easy as point and click. We're going out, we're getting homeowners to pay off their house in as little as 3 to 8 years, eliminating the hundreds of thousands of dollars in interest that they have to pay the bank and keeping that money there. We have so many people that are excited. It's because they see the results immediately. They don't have to stay in their mortgage for 30 years or potentially longer than that and go through the refinances and all these fancy loans. You get results immediately because we take that extra money that would have been going towards the bank, and we get it to roll over into the principal of the mortgage. Again, without changing your payment by a penny. This isn't a bi-weekly. This isn't a pay a little extra money here. This isn't a debt roll down program. This is one of the world's most sophisticated interest cancellation programs, and it's all done with the bank's money. The wonderful thing about our program is it tells you exactly to the penny of how much you need to transfer and what you need to do. And it'll actually tell you in forecast when exactly you're going to own that property or have that debt paid off. So the big difference is, would you rather your time and your money to try to accomplish what obviously hasn't been accomplished across America, or use the bank's money and use the software's time to go ahead and accomplish debt, to be debt-free and to start developing some future wealth? One of the most exciting things is with free analysis is it's absolutely no obligation. Hey, you either qualify for the program or you don't. If you're in debt, you already are one step closer to qualifying. One of the things with the free analysis is it takes a overview of your financial situation. We put it into our sophisticated system, and it'll tell you exactly to the penny and to the day when you would experience being debt-free. If it doesn't work, all it costs you is a little bit of free time. We have a fantastic revenue-sharing affiliate program. Not only are you able to take advantage of experiencing debt-free and massive interest cancellation on your mortgage, but you have an opportunity to take a part in this fantastic business and become an affiliate. You can actually refer family members, neighbors, co-workers, so on and so forth. That will actually pay you additional money. That additional money could be used to apply towards your mortgage as a discretionary to even pay off your mortgage much, much sooner. Let me tell you, we believe that there's 100 million people that qualify for the program. So we're going to need each and every one of you to become part of this company to help us in helping our friends and our neighbors.
The dreams I have are getting bigger. They're getting closer than they've ever been. I'm starting right now to believe in something greater than myself. I'm starting right now, taking the first steps of the rest of my life. And I am grateful. Life is wonderful.